This is not one story. This is an entire world.
Some lives are rarely seen, but deeply connected.
Every step is part of survival.
The wild survives through balance, not chaos.
This is the world as it truly lives.
Every story of life begins with the land.
Where the land breathes, life follows. Survival begins with balance. Every pattern has a purpose. In the open plains, height becomes awareness. The land is not empty, it is layered. Every great world stands on unseen work. In open land, movement is freedom. Not all hunters chase, some wait. In numbers, strength becomes certainty. In numbers, strength becomes certainty. Some journeys are guided by memory. At water, every difference fades. Even the strongest must pause to drink. Life gathers where water waits.
Some dangers announce nothing at all. Some power lies just beneath the surface.
When giants move, the land responds.
Across the plains, life moves together. To drink is to trust the moment. Here, survival begins with sharing. When giants move, the earth listens.
Behind great size lies great awareness. Some lives remain hidden until the forest allows them to be seen. Evolution doesn't hide its masterpieces, it perfects them.
Some rivers are guarded by giants.
In silence, the hunter decides.
Power does not rush, it advances. From above, its kingdom has no borders. Not every encounter ends in conflict.
Survival writes itself, one layer at a time.
Many forms, one ancient design.
Some eyes are shaped by worlds we barely understand.
Some shelters are shaped by stone and claimed by time.
Inside the earth, life finds its own architecture.
Even the most feared lives begin in silence.
Every shelter is watched by something waiting.
Some hunters calculate long before they move.
In the sun, even danger rests. Nature doesn't repeat every design.
Where water slows, giants remain.
Where water slows, giants remain. Across every barrier, strength finds a way. Even the deadliest hunters must breathe.
Some hunters wait, with wings folded.
Between land and water, some lives master both. Not every life here has been named yet.
Every new life begins by watching.
Every journey here leads from one world into another.
In the forest, every step is a question.
Long before a body is seen, the ground already knows.
In the forest, survival belongs to those who listen first.
This forest survives not through dominance, but balance.
Some creatures survive by strength, others by being unforgettable.
Not everything powerful chooses to be seen.
Some animals do not chase attention, they carry it with them. When something watches this closely, it is never unaware.
Only from above do we understand how large some lives truly are.
As one presence fades, another takes its place. Not all mysteries hide in darkness. Some stand quietly in the light.
Here, life does not exist in one layer. It exists in many.
Evolution does not aim to impress, it aims to survive. Rivers carry more than water. They carry entire worlds.
Beneath the surface, evolution takes a different shape. Even beneath the river's surface, life moves in communities.
Between water and land, another world begins.
At the river's edge, survival pauses, even if only briefly.
Life is often measured in moments too small to notice, unless you look closely.
Some places belong to no one, and
to everyone.
Some lives exist beyond familiarity, waiting to be noticed.
When the forest opens, every shape reveals itself.
Every species leaves its signature, written in detail. Where the forest opens, life gathers.
Every open space invites a new arrival.
Before an animal moves, it decides.
Here, survival is not always a contest. Sometimes it is coexistence. Every life matters, even when the world around it is immense.
When the land changes, life adapts with it.
Every landscape shapes life in its own image.
Survival is written into the body itself.
In this land, confidence comes from adaptation.
Not all survivors follow familiar designs.
Some lives remain unknown, simply because we have never looked this close.
No creature exists alone. Every life is part of something larger.
From above, life reveals its hidden order.
In every landscape, one life draws the eye.
Some encounters demand silence.
Size does not decide survival. Awareness does.
In nature, survival often means sharing the same ground.
Every detail exists for a reason.
What we notice as detail, nature designed as necessity.
As the land changes, life changes with it.
Every new land demands new instincts.
Before a body moves, the eyes decide. To survive here, life must learn the rhythm of the land.
Survival is stronger when it is shared.
In the wild, connection is as vital as strength.
Together, movement becomes survival. From above, their movement becomes a map of survival. Every movement is noticed, even when no one reacts.
Some watch not to act, but to learn.
As one life fades from view, another quietly steps forward.
Every unfamiliar face carries an ancient story.
When form meets movement, identity is revealed. Not every meeting is a confrontation. This land is never empty. From above, boundaries disappear.
Some paths are taken, not claimed.
Every species sees the world differently.